Welcome to PET PLAST India, where innovation meets performance. Introducing our fully automatic PET blowing machine, engineered to deliver high-speed production, superior bottle quality, and maximum energy efficiency. The process begins with PET preforms being automatically loaded into the feeding system. These preforms are then transferred through the advanced infrared heating oven, where precise temperature control ensures uniform heating for perfect bottle formation. Next, the heated preforms enter the high-performance blowing station. Using advanced servo technology and precision molds, every bottle is formed with outstanding accuracy and consistency. Our intelligent servo system reduces mechanical movement, resulting in smoother operation, lower maintenance, and significant energy savings. With an advanced air recovery system, the machine can reduce compressed air consumption by up to 40%, helping manufacturers lower production costs while improving overall efficiency. The machine is equipped with smart PLC controls, remote diagnosis, predictive maintenance, and Industry 4.0 connectivity, allowing operators to monitor production in real time. Designed for continuous production, this machine delivers reliable performance with minimal downtime and exceptional bottle quality. It is ideal for manufacturing bottles for packaged drinking water, mineral water, soft drinks, edible oil, juice, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and many other industries. At PET PLAST India, we combine cutting-edge technology, robust engineering, and dependable after-sales support to help businesses increase productivity and profitability. If you're looking to upgrade your PET bottle manufacturing with a smart, energy-efficient, and high-performance solution, PET PLAST India is your trusted partner. Contact us today to learn more about our complete range of PET bottle machines and turnkey packaging solutions.